era of social media. Everybody think that the world is like a video game. So you get instant gratification, or at least by the end of 30 minutes or 45 minutes, all will be well. This is a process, and sometimes we need to get out of our own way and embrace what is it that we do have. Because Robert is right. We have some of the best music in this world. I am a collector, a proud collector of music, and I can assure you that there is nothing more factual than that. Right? But when we start to look at the groundwork that has been established in terms of the economic base, the contributions of the very persons who have really lent their intellectual prowess to this country, it is something that we should all be proud of. And let's be clear, the names that I have mentioned here, this is not an exhaustive list, right?